So we're on the question 1, question answering session. Question 1, the absorbing the thermal radiation is a dull black, and emitting the thermal radiation is a dull black, and reflecting the thermal radiation it's a reflecting, it would be the white. So the reflecting the white like this. So also the silvery surface like this, white is the best choice. Now the number 2, there is a picture, all the three kinds of the three kettles, all the three kettles are in the same, are the same except for their outside surface. The kettles are in the volumetric measure, there is a equal, and the size, shape, or the equal, but the outside surface are the different. All are full of the boiling water. When the kettles are left to cool, this is what happens to their temperature. Now the temperature in Celsius, the kettle 1, kettle B, kettle C, kettle A, B, C. After 5 minutes, the kettle, after 100 degrees Celsius, it became the 85, and the 10 minutes the 73. Number B, the 100 100 degrees Celsius, then the 90 and the 82, and the 100 to 80 and 65. Look, that is the thing, that the kettle A has the scenario that it reduces heat 100 to 85, whereas the B 100 to 90 and the C 100 to 80. What does it mean? The C became C is too much faster to reduce the heat, to reduce or to emit or the radiate the heat. This is the radiation chapter, so radiate or emit the heat. And the second, after 10 minutes, 10 minutes is also the faster ratio of the heat reduction or emission or the radiation is highest in the kettle C. So what does it mean? The kettle C is, so it would be the, you can give the scenario from here. It would be kettle C would be the dull black, because the dull black we have learned from this answer, the absorbing thermal radiation and emitting radiation faster way, the best at faster way, the absorbing, and these are the two relations, the dull black of this. So we can say the dull black. And the last, the what is this, the thing that number C, the lowest ratio of the emission of the heat, and it keeps hotter than the kettle B and kettle B. So now the question comes here, which kettle has the slippery surface? The slippery surface means it protects the heat for the emission protection or emission, that it can reduce the radiation of heat. So the kettle B would be the answer of this. The kettle B would be the answer for 2A. Kettle B would be the answer. Now which kettle has the dull black surface? So we can easily say that in our discussion, that the dull black is the best absorbing and emitting. So this is the emitting ratio is the highest, so it would be the C would be the dull black surface, and silvery surface would be the B. So rather going to memorize or just try to realize the thing, rather going to memorize, try to realize. That's why I am giving you one word, much more time. Say the double wall glass is the conduction, and the slippery surface is the radiation, and the stopper is the insulation and conduction. Like this memorization is not good at all as the realization. What you think, the realize, so think about, read about, and scream about, and then to process your answer. Now question 3, explain why in a hot countries houses are often painted white. So the white, you can give the answer like this, 3A. In hot countries houses are often painted white because the white surface reflects reflects heat or reflects heat or radiate heat. Okay, radiate reflects heat or reflects heat or sun radiation. So in the hot countries, houses are often painted white because white color reflects sun's radiation. So it sun's radiation, it can reflect. On the hot summer day, in the inside a white car is cooler than a dark one. This is also the same answer like this. A, in a hot summer day, inside a white car is cooler than a dark one because the white car or white surface emits or reflects not emit, like it reflects the heat of sun's radiation. So this is the answer. Now C, 3C, if you use a lens to focus the sun's rays on the newspaper, the print burns more easily than the white paper. So like this, the paper, in a white paper or in a written paper, the black lines, this is the black lines, the black letters, it would be observed. This is a white paper, in between this black. So this is the black number here. This is the black number in the white paper. So whenever the lens centrifuges the sunlight to here like this, so it will make make hotter because the black surface or black color absorb the sun's radiation or the heat the sun's radiation. So that's why they absorbing the thermal radiation or sun's radiation. That's why the white papers, the black letters, printed black letters will burn faster than the others. This is the answer of this. As the black color or the black surface absorbs the thermal radiation or absorbs the sun radiation much faster than the white surface, so the print of the newspaper will burn first. So these are all about your question answer of this segment 3.13 of the chapter energy chapter energy chapter 3, and that's all today. We will come with the next video in this COVID or the coronavirus situations, the pandemic conditions. So we'll go with the touch with the another segments. So up to that, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.